You dancing, Bubba?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy. Keaton. Olivia's always sticking her face in there. Honey, stop. Come around so you can see. I'm trying to get Keaton dancing.
Oh my God.
Okay, you dance too. What? Olivia. You dancing, Mama? You just want to see yourself on the camera. No, honey, don't. No. No. This is the best. All right.